Today we're getting ready for the upcoming camping season, with the help of our new cooler backpack from Urban Braver. It's comfy to wear, it can hold a lot of items, has plenty of organization, and comes shipped to your door, ready to carry your stuff as well. Let's slide it out of the box and check it out. On the front, you can find some MOLLE straps to connect other pouches, as well as some Velcro patches. On both sides, you can find water bottle pockets. On the front, you have a zipper pocket containing your lunchbox. It's well insulated and even has a zipper pocket for extra organization. The top has a zipper pouch with mesh pockets and normal pockets inside. The middle zipper reveals two mesh zipper pockets, as well as a deep pocket on the other side. And the last zipper pocket has a compartment that can fit up to 17-inch laptops, as well as two normal pockets. The back has a nice squishy padding. The back also has a strap, as well as a hidden zipper pocket, and the side has a port to slide your headphones through. And that's everything. So let's load it down and see what we can store in here. I grabbed my essentials and started filling it up. The lunchbox can easily store a day's worth of food and drink. Then the other pockets store the rest of my items with room to spare. I grabbed the backpack, threw it on, and tightened it down. The backpack fits well and feels good on the back. So I grabbed my Huskies and went for a hike to see how it feels for a longer time period. We walked around for a bit and it didn't bounce around. It held to my back and felt great to wear. Then when we got to our destination, my drinks were still nice and cold and ready for me to drink and relax. Pretty cool. Overall, I'm really impressed with this backpack. I like the way it looks and can store everything I need, so I have no complaints. So if you'd like to have a nice backpack for camping and traveling, this backpack from Urban Braver might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go get ready for my next camping trip. See ya.